Francine Shapiro speculates that the brain stores information, memory particularly, in roughly two ways. This is a simplification, of course, but basically the brain can store memory in a coherent narrative. And that probably is part of the brain where Wernicke's and Ponick's is. Pons and Wernicke's. That side of the brain is where speech and language is. And so memory that is stored sequentially and in a coherent narrative. Then until now, happened back then, there's mileposts along the way. It's stored coherently. It sort of makes sense. We make sense out of it. Follow sequence and so on. That's coherent memory. State stored memory. Memory that's stored not in a coherent state, in an unresolved state, is stored in different parts of the brain. And it's stored in the exact state in which it was remembered, with all the emotions, sensations, all the experience, the arousal, and it's not necessarily time dated, time sequenced. It's stored very much in a state that is very much now. There is no sense of that it happened then. It's still very much incoherent. And so when a person remembers this incoherent memory, they have no temporal, no time context as to when it took place. That's why these types of memories, this kind of memory, is often triggered by a current situation that suddenly the person then finds himself almost literally, if not reliving, what actually took place, even though that's not what's going on now. They've lost all sense of where they are in time. Shapiro refers to this in the metaphor trauma time. She says that they're literally, the memory is stored in trauma time. And we know from studying the brain through the work of Vanderkolk that